We had to work extra hard today protecting this guy with all his crazy fans. And welcome to the event 4 here in Columbus, Ohio. We're going to bring you as much as we can while we're here. We're going to try to get around the music.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
We didn't get it on video, but we were Stradman, aka James, personal security all day.
Yes, ATF security.
That's right, ATF security. We had to work extra hard today protecting this guy with all his crazy fans.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Best in the business.
Tell me, all things fast, man.
We got things fast. We got to bump up the subscriber level.
We're less than 1,000 view hours away from being monetized.
Sick.
Come on.
Let's go, baby. Come on. Keep watching.
Let's
keep
go.
Watching.
Like,
Smash that
comment,
like
subscribe.
button. Hit the subscribe button. We appreciate you. We love you. We support you. Thank you guys so much for everything you do. Thank you guys for the protection.
Yeah.
I'm in one single piece. Yes, sir.
When you come back out of Chicago, we'll be around, man.
Will do. Awesome. Thank you guys. All right.
And Mr. Alex,
up?
Lambo Jesus.
These
All
guys
right.
were amazing today.
All right, guys.
Subscribe to ATF. He'll be bald someday.
All right, guys. See you on the next one. What's up, guys? We're in the wife's car. We're following it. Yes, it's nice. It's running. It's beautiful. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, safe travels, guys.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.